Hello photography fans and welcome back to another LensVid review. Today we're taking a quick hands-on look at the Weebill 3S by Zhiyun. Let's see what it can do. At this stage in the gimbal innovation game, it's getting pretty hard to surprise us. Zhiyun's strategy is to offer iterations that may appeal to a wider range of users. Their previous Weebill 3 was a powerful gimbal with interesting accessories. The 3S version is more streamlined and features a few new additions. We haven't had a chance to work with this gimbal yet, so an in-depth review will come later, and today is a first look video where we will see what's new with the Weebill 3S. The main change in the 3S is a smaller handle without the base. The combo kit includes a quick release base with a side handle. This is a telescoping handle that also swivels out for alternative handling. The lock on the old version wasn't great, and this one looks very similar. We'll see after working with this gimbal if Zhiyun improved it. There's also a 1/4-inch mounting hole on the top of the handle, but sadly with no locating pins. Zhiyun redid the wrist rest for this version. It is now part of the removable base. It is softer and features a one-handed mechanical adjustment knob. With the base removed, the 3S definitely has a smaller footprint. But if you're making a base, why not make it wide enough for the gimbal to stand on its own? Another big physical change in the 3S is the cradle. There's now an option to reposition the camera vertically with a quick release plate. There's also a vertical option in sling mode. The light is still part of the setup, but Zhiyun removed the mic, again probably because in most cases it's not that useful. Most of the controls are still in the same place. The power button is now up top. A very welcome addition is the wireless record button. There's a section in the menu to connect to the camera. After this first look at the Zhiyun Weebill 3S, we've had some good impressions, especially knowing how good their previous versions have been. With the innovations and a more streamlined body of the 3S, it'll definitely appeal to a wide range of users. And that is it for our quick look at the Weebill 3S. Stay tuned for the full video, and meantime go check out the website, lensvid.com, subscribe to this channel, and come back for more videos. We'll see you in the next one. Strategy is to offer iterations that may appeal to a wider range of users. This is a telescoping handle.
Subscribe.
1/4-inch mounting hole on the top of the handle, but sadly with no locating pins. Zhiyun.